Welcome to 6112 West Diversey, 2-bedroom, 2-bath apartment number G2. We just walked in the living room, so you've got a nice sized living room along with a balcony out front, separate dining area over here. Nice place to entertain. Breakfast bar, granite counters, dishwasher, fridge, stove, microwave, and the corners have the special cabinets, the Lazy Susans. As we go around the corner here, we're going to go into the master suite, which starts with the master bath and a jacuzzi tub. And then on the right, you'll see lots of closets, great closet space. Bring your king-size bed for this one. And we also have a linen closet here. And let's go around the corner. And the doors straight ahead are furnace and hot water. And here's the second bathroom, conveniently located just outside the second bedroom. And a nice sized bedroom, good sized closet in the corner. And just around the corner here, we have the most important door, washer and dryer in the unit. So that's 6112 West Diversey, number G2. Give us a call. We'd love to show it to you in person. Have a great day. Cheers.